Earlier this week, we were talking about finding the context clues of each of the story. Today, we're going to try to pinpoint out in the story Flip, Float, Fly, where the setting is being able to take place, and let's point out some words that will help us understand that better. Okay, we're going to read Flip, Float, Fly today. Take a breath and blow on a fuzzy dandelion. Whee! One puff sends seeds soaring like small, soft feathers. They parachute up in the sky. Maple seeds whirl and twirl in a breeze. Blip, flutter, float. The wind lifts them up and off of the tree. Away they fly like a shining green helicopter, spinning and spinning. Tumbleweed plants grow as round as globes. In autumn their stems snap off. On the flat, open prairie they roll, 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 sprinkling their seeds as they tumble. So right now they told us that it was autumn, so we kind of figure out that the setting is going to take place in the autumn time out on the prairie, right? Okay, let's keep reading. Basswood trees' fruit clusters twist in the wind, dangle and dance. In winter they drop, like sailboats they glide on the smooth, slick snow. So it also says that it's snowing, so we will come to a conclusion that it's winter time, right? And the pictures also do help. Locust tree pods look like long, brown smiles. They dry, split open, and curl apart. Carrying seeds, each side scoots along, sliding on slippery ice, skitters and skates. Seeds bump off along the way. So now they talk about ice and slippery. Do we still think it's winter time? Yeah, I think so. Where water flows, it can carry seeds. Even a raindrop can wash tiny seeds away. Splash, swish, spatter, scatter. So what type of weather is this now? Rainy weather? Yeah. How did you come up with that? When it talks about raindrops, good conclusion. The air inside a coconut helps it float. Bounce, plop, a drop into the ocean and drifts away on the waves. Some seeds move on their own. Poke a touch-me-not seed pod and fall. Pop, fling, the pod explodes. The seeds are flung. Surprise! See the little bug? A wild oat seed curls up in the sun like a comma. The seeds straighten out when it rains. Wiggle, jump, one way, then the other. It works its way around the ground. Animals move seeds around too. A bat finds a feast in a fig tree and wings away on the seed inside. The seed passes through its body unharmed and falls to the ground as it's dropping. So you can kind of tell that where this one's taking place at nighttime, right? Because that's when bats come out. A squirrel scurries to gather up acorns and bury them in to eat later. But does it use all the foods it collects? No. Lost acorns can grow into a strong, shady oak tree. So sometimes you might never know. The tree outside could be something that a squirrel dropped. Burdock seeds stick to sleeves and socks. They cling to the feathers and fur. We carry them as we hike through the wild and drop them in new places. People buy seeds from garden shops. Friends and neighbors trade them and share. Plants and seeds travel on ship trains, and airplane seeds on the move zoom over the ocean across cities and countries all around the world. People plant seeds in gardens and flower pots. They tend the seedlings and watch them grow. Sprouts, shoots, leaves, and roots. Flowers bloom and new seeds form, beginning the cycle again. So, there were plenty of different settings that took place in the seeds. Can you guys point any out since we're done reading the book?